Hi everybody, we're back with another really quick Chinese diesel heater video for you today. And today we're going to show you how to prime your heater using this new controller with the spanner in the top left hand corner. So it's really easy to enter the priming mode. All you need to do is press these buttons at the same time and hold them until you'll see the screen change. There we go, it says 0 to 0. That's a timer, so you can change the timer to however long you want it to prime for, depending on how far your fuel tank is away from your heater. This is right next to it, so we're just going to go 20 for now, and then to start the prime you just press OK and it will start priming. If you want to stop it priming before the end of the time because the fuel's reached your heater, you just press that and it will stop it. You don't want to put too much fuel in the heater, she'll flood it and it won't start. You'll get error code 10. And then to go back to the main screen, you just press this button once. That takes you back to the main screen. And then to start it, all you have to do is a short press on this button, and then it's a long press to turn it off. So short press to turn it on. So that should be turning on now. And then if you want to turn it off, it's just a long press. And that turns off. Right, that's about it really. Hope you found it helpful. If you did, please click subscribe. Please click like and maybe leave a comment below, and we'll see you next time.
Now then, if you'd like to be in with a chance of winning the heater featured in this video, head on over to our Patreon page where for a measly £3 a month you can be entered into a prize draw and potentially win high value items like this withe all-in-one heater or other such like. We won't be giving away these big items every month, but there will always be something going, and other great perks are in the works, so why not hop on board? We are Van Life UK, a complete survivor's guide. Please subscribe.